Welcome to our video on the best LED grow lights with full spectrum in 2023. As indoor gardening becomes increasingly popular, choosing the right grow light can make all the difference in the health and growth of your plants. In this video, we'll be reviewing the top LED grow lights on the market, their features, and which ones are worth investing in for your indoor gardening needs. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Spider Farmer SF2000 LED Grow Light. The Spider Farmer SF2000 LED Grow Light is an excellent choice for indoor growing. Its high-yielding Samsung LM301B diodes and energy efficiency with 2.7 micromole per joule make it more efficient than traditional HID lamps and other plant lamps on the market. The upgraded SF2000 growing lights have more light beads at the edges, fewer in the middle, and a dimming knob that adjusts the light intensity at liberty. Its full spectrum of white, blue, red, and IR is especially useful during bloom when it speeds up flowering time and boosts yields. The product is easy to install, with no fan noise, and comes with a 5-year after-service warranty at a local maintenance center. Highly recommended. At number 2 is VIVOSUN VIVOSUN 1000 LED Grow Light. The VIVOSUN VIVOSUN 1000 LED Grow Light is a highly efficient indoor grow light that delivers excellent results. It uses the latest high-efficiency LED plant light technology with premium Samsung LM301 diodes, providing uniform lighting and stronger light output. The energy consumption is only 100 watts, making it more efficient than traditional HID lights and other plant lamps on the market. The dimming knob makes it adaptable to different growing periods, and the daisy chain function allows you to connect multiple lights with one socket. The light spectrum coverage is optimal and promotes germination rates, speeds up blooming time, and improves plant production. The heat dissipation function is effective, and the light operates quietly, making it perfect for indoor growing. The product also comes with a 5-year after-sales warranty service. Highly recommended. At number 3 is Monios-L LED Grow Light. The Monios-L LED Grow Light is a professional-grade grow light strip with dual rows of high-quality full-spectrum LED chips, providing plants with full-spectrum sunlight replacement at 400 and 800 nm. Its small V-shaped housing design delivers up to 24 watts of power to each light, effectively promoting chlorophyll synthesis and photosynthesis. The aluminum housing offers high-efficiency heat dissipation, ensuring a longer service life for the LED chips. The expandable design allows for up to 6 tube lights to be connected with seamless connectors or connector cables, making it a great option for commercial growers and home gardeners alike. Additionally, the 24-month unlimited warranty and 100% money-back guarantee provide peace of mind. At number 4 is BARINA Plant Grow Light. The BARINA Plant Grow Light is an excellent option for those looking for high-quality and efficient LED grow light. With 1,152 LED and consuming only 252 watt, it replaces 1,400 watt general plant lights and provides over 95% light energy absorbed by plants. The aluminum shell provides high-efficiency heat dissipation, ensuring longer service life of the LED chips. Installation is easy with included tape, clips, and cable ties, and you can link up to 6 LED grow light strips in a series. Suitable for any indoor application, the comfortable color of light makes it an excellent choice for plant grow tents, shelves, hydroponic rooms, and greenhouses. At number 5 is BARINA T5 Grow Lights. The BARINA T5 Grow Lights are a great option for indoor plants. The full-spectrum sunlight replacement provides the most reasonable growth light wave for plants to absorb. The 80-watt consumption with 400 LEDs is an efficient alternative to 500-watt general plant lamps, and over 95% of light energy is absorbed by plants. With included double-sided tape, clips, and cable ties, installation is easy and can be done by yourself in minutes. You can link up to 16 lights in a series, saving on installation costs and time. Each indoor ceiling light has an on-off switch for separate or combined control based on the PPFD needed for the plants. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Click on the links in the description to find out more about the products.